I want to talk to you really quick about a concept or an understanding that I don't think a lot of people have when it comes to making money online. And I talk all about digital marketing, how to find remote jobs, and how to do things that allow you to work from your laptop so you can have freedom to work, live, and play anywhere in the world. And so, one of the things that I did early on in my online digital money making journey was taking what I knew before I went off to sell anybody else's product, to promote anybody else's thing. I took what it is that I knew and I turned it into a lesson, a book, a course, and I prepared it and put it in front of the people who wanted to know how to do the very thing that I had done. But I know we always have the question when it comes to how do I find those people? When I first started online with an actual digital business, because I had a physical product business before as my very first business, but my first digital product business was actually me teaching a skill set that I knew, and you'll never believe what it was. I was teaching people how to cut their grocery bill by 50%. I was literally teaching people how to coupon. And people were very interested in it. It was a hot trend at the time. It was super hot. Couponing is still hot. It's still a thing. But at that time, it was the big to do because of the TLC show. So everybody wanted to see if they indeed could cut their grocery bill in half or even make money from couponing. And so once I put the value proposition that I was offering, which is to be able to help people literally cut their grocery bill by 50%, people were interested in learning how to do that. And so in turn, I created a course that allowed me to teach them step by step what they needed to do from a beginner perspective to be able to cut their grocery bill in half. People got results. Those results turned into testimonials that I could share with other people who were interested, and I continued to be able to teach this class and to make money from my efforts. And the more people that were interested in the class, the more my value went up, because I was then able to raise my prices, but also the more questions that people asked me in the trainings, the more I researched, the more I learned, the more I could teach. So in that effort, making money became easy because I was using something that was already a skill set, something that was easy and came natural to me, to other people who found value in it, and they were in turn willing to pay for it.